Wanna know how to restrict someone through Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you a Pessi step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have on that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And now just simply select chats, that should be on the bottom left side. And then just simply open up the conversation of any one of your friends. So once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing this eye icon. So just simply select it. And once you've selected this icon here, you should be seeing various options. So simply scroll down a little bit, and once you scroll down here, you should be seeing something known as restrict. So just simply select restrict right here, and then select restrict again with the name. So once that is done, your friends should be restricted just like this, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.